Welcome back, folks, to another exciting episode of Americana Classics, where we dive deep into the heart and soul of timeless automobiles. Today, we've got a lineup that'll make any car enthusiast's heart skip a beat. Let's jump right in. Kicking things off, we have a stunning 1956 Oldsmobile 98. A true beauty straight out of the golden age of automobiles. With its classic lines and recent servicing, this gem is ready to hit the road and turn heads wherever it goes. Next up, feast your eyes on this 1956 Chevy panel wagon. With its tubbed rear, crate 350 engine, and aftermarket AC. This wagon blends vintage charm with modern convenience. A true road trip companion for those who crave adventure. Now, who can resist the allure of a 1951 Mercury lead sled custom? This custom-painted masterpiece with flip-flop flames is a testament to individuality and style. It's not just a car, it's a statement. Moving on, we've got a solid contender in the form of a 1954 Chevy Hardtop with its classic styling, newer interior, and impeccable condition. This Chevy is a testament to timeless design and craftsmanship. Up next, we have a true warrior from the streets. The 1950 Ford Custom Ratched Flathead V8, built by post-World War II veterans. This beast embodies raw power and ruggedness. It's not just a car, it's a legend. Behold the beauty of a fully rebuilt 1950 Ford Showbox. With its fresh paint, Chevy 350 engine, and meticulous attention to detail. This Showbox is a testament to the passion and dedication of its owner. And last but certainly not least, we have the iconic 1950 Chevy Styline Special to Door. with its original motor and transmission. Rebuilt to perfection, this sedan exudes charm and nostalgia at every turn. Well, folks, there you have it, 7 timeless classics. Each with its own story to tell. Which one would you love to take for a spin? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more vintage delights on Americana Classics. Until next time, happy cruising!